but I know it. Most of the community. Okay, you know what? Very few in the community know it. Because we aren't believed, alright? We aren't believed. We all know it does more damage. But we're slandered. We say no! No! Hazmat, you're dumb! You're stupid. It doesn't do more damage. You have no idea what you're talking about. You're just slandered. In reality, it does. Alright? Why do you think Buck's so sought after? You don't need to be a rock. You'll figure that thing out on your own. It's like God. You just gotta believe in it. You know, just believe in it full-heartedly. Just yeah. It's like God, dude. It's like God. Unquestionably. Alright, boom, we got the word out. That was the word I was searching for. Just dancing around it like a flamingo. Like a new haircut. Yeah, dude. It's actually at the length I like it. So I like go real short and then I want that thing. It's other 25 bits, no limit. College is going pretty good. Just got through my 5th semester. I just took a J-term class where I take 17 days and just one class, introduction to music. A lot of Mozart, a lot of Beethoven, but we made it through. It's definitely a time. Definitely a time. So yeah, we're going. Ow! Dude, Shell Pro's going damn with that gun. Wait, we need to count how many buck pistols people have in the lobby. Make sure you have them out. We know Shell Pro has one. How do I spectate? Fuck. Any bucks? Nope. Gosh, you guys are buck broke. What the fudge? No, I'm buck broke. Dude, Shell Pro the only one with one? This is ridiculous. Oh my gosh, he's the only one. You guys are buck broke. How dare you guys be in my lobby without buck skin? What is this? It's only Shell Pro. Shout out to Shell Pro. Man, myth, the legend, wearing... Holy cow, why am I so fast? What the heck, dude? Did you see this? Man, I'm zipping. I'm freaking zipping. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Yeah, only one buck pistol. Buck broke. Buck broke, he's out of my lobby. Only one. Only one has a buck. Wow. My favorite gun of the game. What gun do you think's the rarest of all time? My big rare ones are probably the 2019 skins. I think those are the rarest. I don't know. 2019 was 5 years ago, so I'm thinking 2019 is probably the rarest. Any of them? That's the way I go. That's what I'm aiming for. We got some pretty cool skins nowadays. Faith. Actually, I don't know. Was Faith always around? Yeah, we got a lot of nice skins going around nowadays. So you guys are lucky to have a dedicated. It's like if you look at the old skins, unless they got better software, they're pretty basic, just reskins. This one. Oh no, these ones. Like, these are pretty basic looking. Just literally just color reskins for some of them. And now you got all these cool looking ones, like this dinosaur, you got snakes, you got stars and moons, you got race cars, you got whatever the hell this thing is. You got guns that make noises. You got this thing. You got a darn octopus. This is yeah, you guys got it good now. You got it freaking good, man. I feel like Faith has been here forever. I don't know. Alright, I think you guys are probably hurting your fingers by now. With all these, with all this clicking. So let's switch the map up. We'll go crack shot and auto sniper. What's a good map for that? It is a good map. What are some big maps? We got ruins. I don't remember that one being pretty big. Oh, maybe Cluck Grounds? I don't know, ruins sounds alright. Especially because anti-grav is freaking awesome. Dirt 2. What does that map look like again? Alright.